Oh Lord, I see a problem. Well, it's a good thing that I've caught it now, because when these things come off of here, and this starts beating around, pretty soon your cover gets torn up, and it could be easily taken care of with a very low cost, comparatively speaking, replacement to these rubber cords. Preventive maintenance. Here's another issue. When I got this tarp, this corner was missing. And that corner needs to look like this corner. So I need to fabricate this part and add it on to this part. You can see that this is heat sealed, but for some reason, and it's weird that this side never got done. I think it's been like this from the factory. This is just a factory screw up. There's no heat seal on it, so it's open down here. Yeah, I know I'm gonna have to take all of this off. This was Gorilla Tape, and it lasted almost 2 years, but it's time to remove it. There's even heat sealed tape here, but nothing here. So this is a donor bag. I believe that this at one time used to have maybe some camouflage. It's a big camouflage bag, and I am going to use this as donor to fabricate a corner piece for Malachi's cover. All right, I built myself a template. Time to make some cuts. I'm going to take some of this contact cement. already been fired. It's about the right hole that I need though. And I don't have a punch this size, so this is just going to have to do. Make sure that it's already been fired. Well, looks like I'm going to have to go to plan B. This ain't very tough. Now then, the reason why I'm talking like this is because this is part of the show that is the Redneck Special. I put the bullet casing in here and I sharpened it with some sandpaper. Just see if this thing cuts through. I'm hoping that it does. Just like magic. The redneck ways are marvelous. Well, I got most of the goo off of here with Goo Gone. This is not a paid advertisement for them, by the way. I got all of these holes drilled, and I still have the pocket. And the pocket is going to go on just like this. Take that contact cement, glue it up nice. It'll look pretty. Alright, well there she is. That looks nice too. I mean, all I gotta do is paint it a little bit. Oh yeah, that is good and sturdy. Well, couple of packages here. Unfortunately, I just checked Amazon and that bungee cord isn't going to be due in until second week of September. I ain't gonna wait that long, so I'll just go ahead and end this video, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Wish I could have finished this video, but yeah, I'll just have to wait till that shock cord comes in a week or two. Must be on a slow boat from China. Hey, also delayed is the Arduino with the GPS. Second GPS came in and it was dead on arrival. So back it went, order number 3. It'll be in this Saturday. Hopefully we can get that going as well. Till next time, guys, I'm signing out. You guys be safe, and God bless. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, click on that like button right down there. If you'd like to subscribe, click on my face, and as always, leave a comment. That is how you support this channel. Thank you so very much. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, don't forget to click another video now.